Hey there, Georgetown. Are you sweating out the summer or freezing in winter? McCullough Heating and Air Conditioning has your back with top-notch HVAC repair, furnace fixes, and air conditioner installations. Whether it's AC service for a quick tune-up or reliable heat pump expertise, we've got everything covered, even those tricky mini-split ACs. Your comfort is our priority, and our skilled team is ready to handle any challenge. So, why wait? Keep your home breezy or toasty. Call us today for all your heating and cooling needs.